Hey, Gary Becker here with 30minutemarketing.net. This video is a Profit Mate review. As you can see here, the sales page is about instantly building an unlimited email list from the internet in 42 seconds. I'm going to show you inside of the Profit Mate dashboard and show you how it works. Once you get inside here and you start searching for emails, because what this is a email scraping tool. It scrapes the web for email addresses. Just like they say here on the sales page, search any keyword and Profit Mate will automatically build a list. That's an email list to earn profits. It is shocking. It is shocking that they use a headline like that. You can see here you can get instant access, and it is 100% legal and awesome. We're going to talk a little bit about that and what this does, but as you can see here, Profit Mate is simple. It downloads contacts or emails in any niche from the Contact Us page of any search keyword on Google. Take the keyword example, dog training. So we're back inside the tool real quick, and what's going to happen is you're going to type in a keyword from the sales page, dog training. What's going to happen is it's going to go out and it's going to mine those email addresses from the web. You do see an error up here. Quota has been exceeded for this account that I'm on, but you can see that the basic idea here is it's mining emails. We'll go ahead and say finish. What you can do here is you can go to manage your campaign, and you can see the campaigns that have occurred. You are only allowed 100 emails or 100 leads per campaign in the front end. They do have OTOs that allow you to buy more scraping capability. So we'll go ahead and we'll view this. And you'll see here, you'll see the title of the website, and then you'll see the emails. Of course, these first results here are missing emails. So we'll scroll down until you actually see some emails. And you'll see some emails here, Century.io. Here's a few more emails. Customer care at PetSmart, Groom Club at PetSmart, contact, info at Awesome Dogs, info at Doggy Zion. And then what you can do is you can actually download these emails by clicking here to download. So open up that .csv file in Google Docs, as I'm on a Mac and I don't have Excel. So you can see right here, here are the email addresses again. You can see the number that it scraped. There's just a handful of them here, nowhere close to 100. And the formatting is a little bit off with some big spaces, big chunks of spaces there, and the blank spaces that you saw in the actual Profit Mate tool. Right there you see the blank emails. Now what exactly are you supposed to do with these emails that you have in your spreadsheet? Let's go back to the sales page and find out how simple this is. And you may be thinking, I am able to virtually get unlimited contacts on demand, but how do I make money with this? This is a total business solution. Nobody can stop you from doing this. It's 100% legal and massively speeding up the process. That would take you all this time to do, and nothing like this exists. It's all 100% automated. Here's the real question. What are you going to do with these emails? Even though you don't have a product, you don't have an autoresponder, and you don't want any hassle, it says right here on the sales page, you don't need an autoresponder. One of the biggest objections that they see on a daily basis is people don't want to invest in autoresponders. They're expensive and intimidating. You don't need an autoresponder or a website. You don't need a product to sell. You don't need to do any kind of advertising, blogging, any other softwares, or rely on third parties. But you still need to send the email. So let's go back to the tool and see exactly what the tool offers us as far as this complete business solution that they say right here on the sales page. So we'll go into our email templates. And here inside of our email templates, we can add a message. So we can add a message here, but there's no actual send button. Let's go back to email templates. You can see right here, here is a template for dog training. That's the niche that we searched for and got all our great emails. Here is the template. Get 50% of this product's discount coupon here. And again, this is simply just a template editor. There is no actual way to send. So I'm assuming you're going to have to do cold email outreach, which is what this is. This is what Profit Mate allows you to do. Scrape emails to do cold email outreach. So if you go to Google and you actually Google cold email outreach, you'll see some software here that allows you and companies that teach you how to do this. Then you see the definition of cold outreach email. Cold email is an email sent to a potential customer that has no prior relationship with you. A successful cold email outreach plan uses personalized cold emails to make contact with those potential customers that have no prior relationship or contact with you. Of course, that is to sell a product, either an affiliate product or your own product. So we'll keep scrolling down here because I want to focus in on this article right here. NeilPatel.com. Here's why your cold outreach ROI, that's return on investment, sucks and how to fix it. So we'll go ahead and open up that article and then we will look at some statistics from Neil Patel. Fewer than 24% of all cold outreach emails get opened. That means that more than 75% of your cold outreach emails aren't actually seen by real people. So your click-through rates or response rates are likely around the 2 or 3% mark. Honestly, that's terrible. So back to the sales page, because this is a complete business in a box and it is Profit Mate, as we said earlier, and they say this is the fastest way to steal traffic from the gurus. But the guru, and I think we'll all agree that Neil Patel is a guru when it comes to internet marketing, has said that cold outreach honestly is terrible. Now let's talk a little bit about the idea of web scraping for emails. And you can see here, if you go and Google cold email outreach web scraper, you can see some more software here that does it. And you can see a list of 10 best email scraping tools. And the list goes on and on of other people and other products that are doing this and have been doing this. And then that brings the question, is email scraping illegal? For starters, harvesting emails in this way is illegal in many countries, including the United States. In fact, the Can-Spam Act of '03 specifically prohibits this practice. There is a very good reason professional marketers do not harvest emails through scraping. Of course, you can keep doing some research to understand if that is ethical. You can instantly build an unlimited email list from the internet in 42 seconds. They do claim it is 100% legal and awesome. But according to a quick Google search, it says here that it is illegal in many countries, and there is a very good reason professional marketers do not harvest email addresses through scraping. Again, inside Profit Mate, you'll see that you can only scrape 100 leads at a time. That does not mean 100 email addresses, as you saw the blank spaces in our spreadsheet here. So you'll be short a few emails, but a total 100 leads because you'll have their website address. Then to upgrade to scrape more emails, as it's unrecommended, and most professional marketers do not do this. And Neil Patel, who is a professional marketer, I think we can all agree, said that this is a terrible practice that results in low conversion rates. Most of your emails never get opened. So you can then upgrade to the Pro version to scrape more emails that won't get opened. You can get a done for you service to get even more emails that will not get opened. Then you can actually get done for you leads, which again are more leads that will not get opened. Again, according to Neil Patel, fewer than 24% of cold outreach emails get opened. Honestly, that's terrible. And honestly, that's terrible just like this product. Profit Mate, not recommended. If you want a tried, true, tested strategy of how to build a real email list where people actually opt in and give you permission and want to receive your emails, go ahead and watch the video you see on the screen right now, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.